And now, this is NCTA.
Hi everyone, I'm Jack Gladden from Franklin, Nebraska, now in my second year here at the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis, studying Livestock Industry Management. I learned about NCTA from my boss back home. He went here years ago and told me I should check it out. I'm really glad I listened. I chose NCTA because of the hands-on experience. You're not just sitting in a classroom, you're out working with livestock, learning real skills, and getting to know people in the industry. One of the highlights of my college experience has been getting to travel to different events, meet producers, and hear new ideas. Recently, I went with our Collegiate Cattlemen's Club to the Range Beef Cow Symposium in Cheyenne. Attending that event definitely expanded my perspective on beef production and pushed me to think about new ways to manage my cows and pastures. I brought home a lot of great takeaways, from better grazing systems to really understanding how genetics play a huge role in long-term herd success. Being able to meet different ranchers and researchers gave me a whole new look at the cattle industry. Experiences like that are exactly why I love NCTA. After I graduate, I plan to return home and apply the things I've learned to my own operation. New ideas, better management decisions, and a stronger vision for the future. If you're thinking about a college where you can learn by doing and meet great people and get a real-world experience in agriculture, NCTA is the place. If you ever want to jump on enrolling for next semester, we'd love to have you. Just visit the NCTA website. Now let's get to work.